everyone. So I frequently travel a lot and find it difficult to pack my things in an organized way. So this is the product that I got. Let's check its brand and so these are the package cubes, and as I told you, they're very much spacious because I have got all my cosmetic in this one and my footwear will be in this one, and I've got all my clothes ready and set to go in this one, this big one, and I'm still left with these both. It's way more easier in finding your things as these package cubes have a meshed up feature and you can clearly see what all you have kept in which one. You can easily and clearly carry these with the webbing handle. It has both way zippers and they're just too easy to zip up and unzip as the great quality material they hold. These cubes feel like silk, yet they are so sturdy, and the material is too good to carry things inside it as they are double stitched strong. Last but not the least, these package cubes are completely water resistant under the cover, and as you can see, I have spilled some water on it, and still it resists the water perfectly and it slips down it. They also come in different color options: blue, grey, black. I personally got black, as who doesn't like black? For more information, you can visit their website that will be linked in the description. For an exclusive additional 5% off, you can also use my code Shreya5. And along with these packing cubes, you can also get some useful accessories for your domestic and your international travel. Go get yours now.